Hello, my name is Brendan, and I've decided to film and document the rebuild process of this Harley Davidson that I purchased. I bought this bike for $200 out of a house fire. A little background on me is I am a firefighter paramedic. The day that I was looking at this bike, it was on Let Go, one of those neighborhood programs where you can buy and sell things. And I wanted a moped or something to ride around, some sort of project to work on. I found this bike for $200 and its sister bike, a 1970s, maybe 74-ish bike, also for sale. Only having $200 to my name, I decided to buy this and give it a shot. Never rebuilt motorcycles, never rode a motorcycle, and know nothing about motorcycles. I am starting this documentary process a little bit late into the process, only because, as you can tell, I've already cleaned up some of the chrome. This was all smoked out black from soot, as you can kind of see on my fingers there. So I was able to take a cleaning brush and be able to brush all the dirt and soot off of the motors. I've also replaced the carburetor already, buying one off eBay, and I'm currently working on the electrical system. So I'd like to share this process with people. I'd like to get some insight from the community and have people answer questions that I have about the bike, because obviously I don't know a whole bunch. It's approximately a 2012 model bike. It's titled as such, or 2013, excuse me. It's titled as a 2013. But I get mixed reviews on what the motor is exactly. I have a manual and I look through it, and I've kind of come to the conclusion that this is a Evo motor. But I look forward to rebuilding it slowly in the process, making sort of like a bobber bike. I think the story behind it's really interesting. You know, a firefighter building as cheap of a bike as he can that was burning a house fire. Talking about the other bike, the 70s bike, my coworker at my fire station bought that one and is working on building that as well. So I hope to be able to share his process and share his progress with you guys as well. We're kind of in a little contest to see who can get the bike running first and for the least amount of money. So the idea right now is just to get it running, get it moving, and then make it look all pretty and try to get it a custom bike. So I thank you for stopping in, looking at the video, and I hope to update you with updates in the future.
Thank you, and as always, please like, share, and subscribe. We look forward to updating you on this motorcycle rebuild process, as well as sharing dive sites, fishing sites, and fishing videos from the local area in Sarasota, Florida.